Once there lived a fat man and a thin man. They were bosom friends. Together they used to help helpless people. One day when they were passing through a pond, they saw a group of children playing near the water's edge. The fat man, whose name was Harry, noticed one of the children struggling in the pond. Without hesitation, he plunged into the water, his round belly causing ripples as he swam to the child's rescue. Meanwhile, the thin man, named Jack, stood anxiously on the bank, his slender frame tense with worry. Harry managed to reach the child and pulled him safely to the shore. The children cheered and thanked him profusely. Jack clapped his hands, relieved that his friend had acted swiftly. As they continued their journey, Jack couldn't help but feel a pang of envy towards Harry's courage and strength. He admired his friend's bravery but couldn't shake off the feeling of inadequacy. Their next adventure took them to a nearby village where they encountered an old lady struggling to carry a heavy basket of groceries. Harry immediately offered to help, effortlessly lifting the burden from the old lady's shoulders. Jack, on the other hand, attempted to help but struggled under the weight, his thin arms trembling with exertion. Despite his physical limitations, Jack was determined to prove his worth. He resolved to find a way to contribute more effectively to their noble cause. As they returned home that evening, Jack approached Harry with a proposal. "Why don't we start a charity together?" he suggested. "We can raise funds to help those in need and make an even bigger difference in the world." Harry beamed with delight at the idea. "That's a fantastic plan, Jack. With your cleverness and my strength, we can achieve anything." And so, the fat man and the thin man joined forces to establish a charity that would become renowned for its compassion and generosity. Together, they proved that it wasn't just physical strength that mattered but the strength of character and the willingness to help others that truly made a difference in the world.